So hello friend, welcome to our next video. Today we are going to see how to deconvolute the XPS data by using a Origin software. So this is the Excel sheet of XPS data recorded for oxygen, and as you can see in column A there is binding energy, and column B represent the XPS intensity. So what we need to do, we need to copy these two columns. So we will copy it, and this is the Origin 9 software we are using for deconvolute the XPS data. And in this worksheet we will paste these two columns. Now we will give the name to the x-axis, that is on the x-axis we are showing the binding energy, and on the y-axis we are showing the XPS intensity. And in the unit of binding energy is electron volt. Now drag these two columns, and by clicking the line icon we will get this XPS graph. Now we need to edit some axis to get the clear view of this graph. So we will rescale the scale over x-axis as well as over the y-axis. And now we get a clear zoom image of the graph. Now we need to go to analysis and use this multiple peak fitting for fitting the curve of XPS. If you are not getting the option in by opening analysis, you can go to this peak and baseline, and one thing you need to do, that in this peak function you need to select the Gaussian. There might be other option too, but you need to select Gaussian. Then click OK, and this dialog box will open. Now simply the point where you want to deconvolute the XPS, just double click over it. So I need this 2 points, so I double click over it and then press the fit. So you will see the beautifully deconvoluted XPS data. Now you can edit it. You can once again rescale it, and also if you want to add some axis at the top and at the right side, click on the axis, double click on the axis, then go to the title and format, then press show axis. You can also change the thickness of this axis, and if you want ticks, so you can click on this out, or if you don't want, you can click on this none, and you can do same for all the 4 axes. Now you can see the 4 axis is being appear. You can also change the font size and font of these values over the axis. For that you need to double click on the axis, and on this tick label you can see there is option of bold, and you can change the size, font size of these values. So I keep it 28 for both the axes, that is x axis and y axis, and the format is bold. And now you can see the values are being changed. You can also edit the title of axis by double clicking on it, and you will get by changing its property. Now if you want to edit the curve, you can also do it in the origin. If you want to fill the color in this under this curve, for that what you need to do, just double click over it, do independent, click on independent and OK. Now click on any line, you can change it with, also you can change its color if you want to change. Similarly you can change for all the lines. Now if you want to fill the color under this curve, just double click on it, go to line, and there is an option fill area under the curve, then go to pattern. So you can see you can change the color here. So if you want to change the pattern, go to pattern, select the pattern whatever you want. Then if you want to change the shade of the color, click on this follow the line transparency, and you can change the shade. So I keep it near 50 so that the pattern under the curve should appear. You can also change the width of the line of pattern. Yeah. So similar way you can you can fill the pattern under each curve. You can also add a text in the graph if you want to. Just what you need to do, you can just right click on this graph, select add text, and you can write whatever you want. Now by selecting this portion, you can change its font size, text font, and also you can change its color. And in this way you can see the XPS graph of oxygen is been deconvoluted beautifully. So thank you friends for watching my videos. Please like, share and comment if you want some more video regarding some experiments. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.